Hello guys. Uh, this video is about to how to show the multiple dropdowns. Multiple dropdowns with dependent dropdowns like country, state, city. I hope you have already gone through the previous videos. Now we will start how to implement the multiple dropdowns, multiple dependent dropdowns. So firstly we need to add one payload here. For this example I have only added the country, state, city and kept it as a empty field. And then I have clicked on the save payload and create form. Once you have clicked on it, you will see this form element. Then you have to give the title for your form and these things and the submit form URL, this section, the layout of the sections and all the things. Now we'll go for the actual fields. So firstly we will take our country field. We will make it as a select drop down. We can add the label or you can change the label from here. Now we will go in the advanced options. In the advanced option, now we have to take the country's data from the API, right? So we will add the options callback here. At first, we need to get the data of the country. So we will add the options callback here and the API, which will be called inside this callback. So I have get countries variable. So I'll add get countries here. Then once you have declared here as option callback and option callback variable name, the function will get created to fetch the countries from the API. And then after that, we have to set which input field will change on the countries, on the change of the countries. So we will select as a state because we have to take the states data after the selection of the country. So we will select here state. Okay, and then after that we will add one onChange callback for the country. Means this callback will get called once you have changed the country. So I have added it here as a get stats. So when I change country, get stats callback will get called. And to fetch the stats, which API we are going to use, we need to state it here. Fine. Done. That's it. And these are the optional parameters. Input values to reset on change. This will required whenever we change country, we need to reset the values of the states and cities which are previously selected. So you can select it here as state and city. Once you have changed the country, so the state and city will values get null. Okay, then we will add another field, state. Again, input type will be select, label you can add whatever you want to. Then we'll go in the advanced options. In the advanced option, now we don't need to write here as a options callback because we have already done it here. On change of the countries, we are calling this get state. So we don't need to add it here again. Options callback and options callback variable. So we can keep it as a empty. Then after the changing of state, we need to change the city. So I'll select city here. Then the callback will be get cities and the URL for getting the cities will be get cities. And again, which field you want to reset on change of state. So I have selected city here. Fine. So once the state is selected, city will get selected city will get flushed, and this callback get called, and the latest city from the current state will get fetched. Again, we will add another field as a city. We can select it here as a input type, select, then label whatever we want to. And in the advanced options, we don't need to do anything because we have already done all the things here. As we are getting the cities and all the things from the on change of state, so we don't need to add anything here. Fine. Once you have done with adding this data, just generate form and copy and paste all the data and all these things to your code. So I'll show you this. I have added already here. Okay. So I've added the submit form, get states, get cities, get countries. So all the things are present here, and these things, and this is our working demo. So I'm refreshing it. See, states are empty, cities are empty, but countries are two, right? So which are fetched from the API. Once I select the country, states options will come, cities options will not come. Once I select state, then cities options will come. This is how it works. Once I select the city, this will get selected. Now, if I change the state, the city value will get flushed. As we have added the city for the reset in the state options here. So it will get flushed. Same, whenever we change the country, state and city will get flushed. Hope you like this video and you have understood all the things. Thank you.